Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Pisha Sanika. Thank you for watching and visiting my channel. So let's get started. Begin our new recipe. I am here with another recipe of today. We are going to cook cumin rice with spicy cabbage potato. Okay. So let me introduce with the ingredients which are going to be cooked inshallah. Okay, 1 kg of cabbage. It is cut. It is cut regularly. Okay, with 1 kg of potatoes. 1 tablespoon of salt or salt to taste. So let me begin this. Acha. 1 onion medium size, cut it properly sliced. 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, chopped it. 1 inch of ginger. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 green chili, fresh green chili. 3 tablespoon of chopped fresh green coriander. And 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. These are for cooking of veggie, and we require 1 tablespoon of salt for these rice for boiling. Okay, so let's begin our today's recipe. We get the flame on. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Put the pot here. For rice, we also get the flame on another pot. We pour 2 liter of water in this pot, and 1 kg of rice is here. Bismillah. Sorry for the noise behind. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We wait till for boiling of water. Cover it with the lid. On another hand, we require 1 cup of cooking oil. Pour this. Take the bottle. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to pour this. First of all, we will put onion and ginger. Sorry, garlic. First of all, garlic and onion is going to be fried here. We are going to shred this ginger. We are using fresh ginger because of its great freshness and aroma. So use this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am going to mix with the spoon here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillah. Let it gonna golden fry. The onion is getting brown, and now add ginger in it. Mix the spoon properly. Add turmeric. Then red chili powder. 1.5 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of crushed flaxes. Then salt to taste. Then add garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Alhamdulillah, we add our all condiments here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A little bit of water. It's time to add veggies. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mix it round and round. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Then we will add potatoes.
Cut potatoes.
Ji, add it. Bismillah. Wait for a while. Bismillah. Now flame, down the flame to medium low. Guys, for rice we require 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, fresh cumin seeds, half cube of chicken cube for rice, corn chicken cube, and 1 tablespoon of salt or salt to taste. We are not going to add so much of salt. Oh, take off the lid of this pot. Now boils are coming here. Add the salt, then cumin, and now it's turn to add corn chicken cube. Corn chicken cube by Knorr. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
एक कप ऑयल.
Bismillah. We are going to Bismillah. We'll be safe. Bismillah. Mix it properly. Bismillah. Hopefully you enjoy my videos. Bismillah. Now pour rice. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. By cleaning your hand with water. Bismillah. Pour 1 cup of oil in rice, cumin rice. Wait till boil comes. Cover it with the lid. Fry it for 5 to 7 minutes. Mix it properly. Then we add 1 cup of water into it and cover it for 3 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes for steam. Then it is cooked in steam. What is boiling is coming on water, on rice.
दोनों चीजें कच्ची के बाद.
Take 4 green chilies and cut it properly chopped. Then add it into this veggie. Bismillah. Mix it again. Our very tasty cabbage with potatoes and cumin rice is going to be cooked inshallah soon. Add water into it, 1 cup of water. Mix it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mix it with a soft hand, not forcefully, so that your veggie is going to be crushed and mashed. That is not good. Add 2 green chilies more and 3 tablespoon of fresh green coriander and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi for garnishing. Then it is going to be for steaming. Place the lid over it and down your flame to low. On the rice, boil is coming. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For once, you will mix it. Now see. Bismillah. See, boil are coming. When the water is going to be dried, not so much. Then we will cover it and steam it for 5 minutes. Mix it once more. Huzaifa is crying actually. Cover it for steam. Sorry for the coughing. Now down the flame to slow. Muhammad Huzaifa say Assalamu alaikum. वेट करें हम. Oh my God, ये पहन है कैप. मेरा शहजादा रेडी हो गया. देखिए रुके आप आए इसको सही करते. और आपने तोड़ दिया इसका बैंड. इट्स ओके हम इसको स्टिच कर देंगे. मोहम्मद ज़ैफ़ा कम हियर. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वेदर इज गोइंग टू बी कोल्ड lightly. Alhamdulillah. What's your weather? Comment me below. Guys, we need 10 to 12 minutes for cooking and 30 minutes for cutting purpose. Okay? Remember this. Only 10 to 12 minutes are required for this cutting, whole procedure of cooking. Guys, you will get me, comment me below because I need your support and I need your focus that you are watching my complete session of video so you can grab it and prepare it properly. Okay, so please watch it completely, not let it in the half so you cannot get the point. Thank you so much. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now first of all off the flame. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Then take off the lid. Now see, Alhamdulillah, our cumin rice is ready. The steam is coming so high. Wait for 1 minute so whole steam goes off. Bismillah. Take this spatula, wooden spatula, then mix it. Bismillah. Now, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 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 With soft hand, mix with spatula. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Check the potatoes, that is it cooked or not. So, Alhamdulillah, it is cooked. Mix it with the spoon. Bismillah, cooking spoon. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Only 2 minutes. 2 minutes are required. Cover it again. Dry the water by up to the flame. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now see, the boils are coming. And oil is coming upward. It means that our veggie is going to be cooked, inshallah. When our veggie is going to be cooked, dish out rice, cumin rice. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, it's so beautiful. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah, it's fresh. Our craving to eat is getting so high by the aroma of cumin and chicken cube. That's going to be yummy in this rice. And our veggies, alhamdulillah, it is cooked. Mix it last 2 times. Water is going to be dry. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, our veggie is cooked. And now turn off the flame. Bismillah. Dish out it. Take the pot, a bowl. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow. very yummy potato with cabbage is cooked. Beautiful flour of cabbage. We will eat also this with loof, and I like it with the quinoa, chili garlic, ketchup. I love that with this cabbage. Alhamdulillah, our today's recipe is complete with this beautiful look. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Garnish with the fresh green coriander. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So beautiful. Bismillah. Alhamdulillah. A serving spoon. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's done. Alhamdulillah, we are done with our today's recipe. It's so yummy. It's so tasty. Cook it in at home, and it's just amazing in taste. Thank you so much for watching my whole recipe. Now it's time to taste. Take just 1 spoon. It's okay, Mom. Mama. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's time to taste. Just a little bit. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's really amazing in taste. Alhamdulillah. Now see, alhamdulillah, potato is cooked properly. One more bite. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for watching it. Please kindly subscribe my channel because I really need your support, and give a big thumbs up to my video, and keep watching, keep supporting, and the links are given in description. Go to my another videos that I had uploaded before, so please watch it completely for whole recipe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Stay tuned. Bye bye. A close up of cumin rice and veggie of cabbage and potatoes. It's yummy. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.